Anxiety and stress. We've all felt it, haven't we? That tightness in your chest, racing thoughts, or the feeling like the world's just a little too much. What if I told you there's a simple tool you already have to calm the chaos? Your breath. Yes, the very thing keeping you alive can also keep you grounded. It's a natural rhythm of life, something our bodies do instinctively. In and out, a constant flow of air sustaining us. Yet, how often do we pay attention to this fundamental process? It's a gateway to influencing our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Breathing is more than just taking in oxygen. When we learn to harness the power of our breath, we unlock a world of possibilities. Together, we'll discover simple yet effective breathing exercises to enhance your life. Did you know that the way you breathe can dramatically impact your overall health and well-being? Your breath is a powerful tool, capable of influencing your mood, energy levels, and even your body's stress response. When you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed, what happens to your breath? It becomes quick and shallow. Conversely, when you're relaxed and at ease, your breath naturally slows down, becoming deeper and more rhythmic. By consciously changing the way we breathe, we can directly influence our internal state. Today, you will learn practical breathing exercises that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're new to breath work or looking to deepen your practice, breathing. It's something we all do, all day, every day, without a second thought. It's as natural as the sun rising and setting, as effortless as a gentle breeze. This simple act of breathing holds incredible power. Tap into this power to improve your health, focus, and emotional balance. Inhaling draws in oxygen, fueling every cell in our body. Oxygen is carried through our bloodstream, energizing our organs and tissues. Breathing also removes carbon dioxide, our body's waste product. This gas exchange allows our bodies to thrive. Here's where things get really interesting. Our breath is linked to our physical, mental, and emotional states. Notice how your breathing changes when stressed or anxious. It becomes rapid and shallow. By deepening our breath, we signal our nervous system to relax. This calms our minds, reduces stress, and promotes peace. Unfortunately, many of us have developed poor breathing habits over time. We rush through our days, our shoulders hunched, our breath shallow and restricted. This type of breathing, often called chest breathing, can actually contribute to feelings of anxiety, stress, and fatigue. When we breathe shallowly, we limit the amount of oxygen that reaches our brains and bodies, leaving us feeling depleted and on edge. The good news is that we can retrain ourselves to breathe more deeply and efficiently, tapping into the incredible power of our breath to find greater calm, focus, and vitality. Now that we've explored the profound connection between breath and well-being, let's dive into the practical tools that will empower you to harness this power in your everyday life. Think of these breathing exercises as valuable instruments in your toolkit for tranquility, each designed to address specific needs and enhance different aspects of your well-being. Whether you're seeking to alleviate stress, sharpen focus, or simply cultivate a deeper sense of calm, there's a breathing exercise here for you. Imagine yourself in the midst of a hectic day, deadlines looming, to-do lists piling up. Box breathing, or the 4-4-4-4 technique, can be your anchor. This technique is like a mental reset button, helping you regain control. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight. Close your eyes and exhale slowly and completely. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for another count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. In a world that often encourages us to hold our stomachs in and strive for a flat belly, belly breathing invites us to embrace the natural expansion and contraction of our diaphragm. This type of breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, is incredibly calming and promotes optimal oxygen intake. To practice, find a comfortable position, lying down or sitting upright. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose, expanding your abdomen. Exhale through your mouth, drawing your navel towards your spine. Section 4. Alternate nostril breathing. Harmonizing body and mind. Alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, balances energy flow in the body. It calms the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and improves focus. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight. Rest your left hand on your lap and bring your right hand up to your face. Place your right thumb over your right nostril and your ring finger over your left nostril. Close your eyes and exhale completely through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and inhale deeply through your right nostril. Close your right nostril and release your left nostril. Exhale slowly through your left nostril. Section 5. A moment for yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, to feel like we're constantly on the go, our minds racing with thoughts and worries. But I invite you to pause for a moment, to step away from the demands of the outside world and create a sacred space for yourself. Find a quiet corner in your home, a cozy spot in nature, or simply settle into a comfortable chair. Close your eyes gently and begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Section 6. Breathe your way to a better you. Remember, the power of breath is always available to you. Incorporating even a few minutes of intentional breathing into your daily routine can make a world of difference in your overall well-being. As you continue to explore these breathing exercises, pay attention to how they make you feel. Notice the subtle shifts in your body, mind, and emotions. Embrace this journey of self-discovery through breath, and witness the transformative power it has to unlock a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling you. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many of us. But what if I told you that you have a powerful antidote to stress readily available within you? It's true, your breath is your secret weapon in the battle against stress. Breathing exercises, particularly techniques like box breathing and belly breathing, have been scientifically proven to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's natural relaxation response. Have you ever noticed how difficult it can be to concentrate when your mind is racing with 1,000 thoughts? It's like trying to thread a needle while on a roller coaster, nearly impossible. By regulating our breath, we create a sense of rhythm and balance. This enhanced focus can be incredibly beneficial in all areas of life. While the stress-reducing and focus-enhancing benefits of breathing exercises are undeniable, the true magic of breathwork extends far beyond these immediate effects. Regularly engaging in conscious breathing practices can lead to profound and lasting transformations in our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. As we deepen our breath and cultivate a greater awareness of this vital life force flowing within us, we cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves. This heightened self-awareness is the foundation for lasting positive change in all areas of our lives. I used to live in a constant state of low-grade stress. My mind raced, I had trouble sleeping, and felt perpetually exhausted. Discovering breathwork changed everything. Simple breathing exercises transformed my daily routine. My stress decreased, sleep improved, and I felt more energized. Breathing exercises became my anchor for a balanced life. As we conclude this exploration of the power of breath, I encourage you to embrace the simplicity and accessibility of these techniques. You don't need any special equipment, expensive classes, or hours of dedicated practice. All you need is your breath, a few moments of stillness, and an open mind. Start by incorporating just a few minutes of intentional breathing into your daily routine. Notice how it feels to consciously slow down your breath, to connect with the present moment through this vital life force flowing within you. Breath is the bridge between your body and mind. When you master it, you master yourself. Your breath is your constant companion, a source of strength, peace, and vitality. Join the global movement embracing the power of breathwork. Share these techniques with loved ones and create a world of conscious breathing. I'd love to hear about your experiences with these breathing exercises. Which technique resonated with you the most? How did it make you feel? Share your thoughts, insights, and any questions you may have in the comments below. Let's create a supportive and inspiring community where we can learn from and uplift each other on this path of self-discovery through breath. Remember, every breath is a new beginning, an opportunity to let go of stress, find clarity, and step into the fullness of your being. Thank you for joining me on this empowering journey into the world of breathwork. I hope you've gained valuable tools and insights that will serve you well on your path to greater health, happiness, and well-being. Remember to be kind to yourself, to practice patience and consistency, and to trust in the transformative power of your own breath. Now go forth and breathe deeply, live fully, and embrace the incredible power within you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, follow, comment, and share to inspire the day of someone you love. Love and peace.